How to change Snapchat profile picture. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily change your profile picture within the Snapchat app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Snapchat app. Then from the camera, select the profile icon on the top left of the app. Once your profile loads, select the gear in the top right to open the settings. Then once here, simply select Bitmoji. Now, if it's your first time creating it, select Create My Bitmoji. Once you do that, it'll try to scan your face to create a Bitmoji from your face. So you can either have the camera on your face and then select one of the icons below, or you can select them and then select Skip. Confirm you want to skip, and then you can build your Bitmoji whatever way you want to using the options below, kind of like The Sims, things like that. Once you're done, select Save, and then yes, you can pick your outfit, select Save, and then you will have changed your profile on Snapchat. If you ever want to remove your Bitmoji that you made, select Remove My Bitmoji, and you can do that there. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.